Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we are going to unbox Miguel. I can't really show you the box because I've got my address all over it, but it came in one of these type boxes. Okay, so we're going to open up Miguel. This was the Gambler's Choice. There were 4 different colors. There was a brown pinto, a Wedgwood, dapple Wedgwood, a brown, and one with primitive markings. So what did we get? Oh, so cool. Got the one with the primitive markings. Oh, he's so cute. I don't know, should I even bother to take him out of the box? Yeah, I know I got nails. I'm visiting relatives and going to a wedding, so. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. He's so cute. Awesome. Yeah, I'm going to do this back here to try. I'm not going to get into the legs. I'll have to do this from back here. I love these cute little boxes. Okay. Let's see. Get him out. Look at that. He's just adorable. Look at that. It's got the stripe over the shoulders, the cross, zebra stripes. He's got a gray underbase, and then it's white, and then he's got gray, and then he's got this tannish brown, and then he's got a dark brown, and then he's got a black. And then, I think that's a different color from, oh, and then the hooves. That's 6 colors, and then back to a white. That's a lot of colors for one of these. So you got the tan, the white, the black, the brownish gray, the dark brown, or maybe even a little pinkish. That's a lot of different colors on one stablemate. That is amazing. Oh, he is so cute. What a cute mold. Just that is what was missing from the stablemate line, was a really cute donkey. Oh my goodness. Sorry. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my gosh, he is so cute. I love these minis. I can't make tack for them, but they're just so, it's like a guilty pleasure of mine to collect these little ones. I can't display them. I have no place to display them. But every once in a while, I get them out and I just pet them. Isn't he cute? That cute little face. I hope you guys like him. Oh, he's awesome. Really cool. Really cool. Okay, well, thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel, and have yourself a really good day.